Wow. What's going on? I'm heating up a pan. Got a little bit of a canola oil in there. I guess I could put a little bit more than that. So what I'm going to do is make this chicken oil, a flavored chicken oil using lemongrass and garlic and some ginger. I just chopped up a little bit of that stuff. So I'm going to flavor this canola oil here. Try not to burn this stuff in there. And I'll take this out before I put my chicken fat that I'm going to render before I put my annatto seeds in to get my chicken fat basting liquid. I'm making chicken Inasal. Chicken Inasal, I-N-A-S-A-L. So this is going to be some of the liquid that I will use to baste it with at the end when it's on the grill. And you can put this on your rice. Gives off a nice red color after it's done. Put it on your rice, tastes good. Smells good already. So that's what I'm going to do. Ginger, garlic, and lemongrass. So then I'll render that fat in a minute. Low and slow. Good smelling oil there, I tell you that. Let me drain this out of here. Get this stuff out of there. You know what I mean? Get the rest of this out of there. Okay, lemongrass, ginger, garlic out. Chicken fat in. This is just chicken fat I took off of the chicken thighs I bought today. I got like 5 pounds of chicken thighs. I'm gonna use 3.5 anyway in my chicken Inasal dish. I got legs too, but I'm not going to use them. I couldn't get leg quarters. I wanted leg quarters, but the store closed that I get them at, and so I got thighs and legs separate. So I'll render the fat out of this, and I'll come back. I was going to say these seeds, annatto seeds, annatto. You can buy a paste. They sell it at Mexican stores too. Latin American. Same thing, except it's a paste. You can dissolve it in the oil to get your coloration for your dish. It's in a paste form. Just break off a couple chunks and throw it in the oil or the hot water or whatever, and make your colored liquid. Ooh, it's gonna show an update. My chicken fat getting pretty crispy here. It's getting more like I don't know, close to about a half a cup of liquid fat. I was chopping some stuff up, my lemongrass. This is some come around here. Lemongrass, the tops that I cut off before I did that. Chopped up the lemongrass bottoms after I took the outside husk, the tougher parts of the lemongrass off. I chopped this up and saved the tops. It comes with rubber bands around them when I bought it, so I'm saving these tops to make soup or whatever, stock later, put it in a freezer and use it. So I got some ground up pepper. Got my annatto seeds ready. I'm going to take these chicharrones, I'm going to take that out in a minute and start making this basting liquid. Oh, I got this kind of a bottle here. It's like for salad dressing. It's got a nice, if the lid would frickin' stay on. There we go. Got a nice lid on there. So I got some lemongrass in there I bruised up. I'm cheating with my basting liquid. My basting sauce. I got some garlic, lemongrass in there. I'll put some pepper in there. And I got some of the Calamansi liquid, Calamansi juice. I'm going to put that in there too. So, it's like traditional. Good ingredients. I'll start doing the rest of my chopping up here. Oh, piece of ginger. Just going to put that in here too. Good stuff. You gotta simmer these puppies and let them steep. Let them steep. I don't know, that's about 3 tablespoons of them seeds. Put in, I don't know, 2/3 of a cup of the liquid fat. There's a little bit of oil in there. Most of it's just chicken fat. It smells good. This is my chicharron. The dog's gonna love that. Nice crispy. Chicken fat. Let me eat one. Good stuff, man. So anyway, the fire's off. This oil's real hot still. So they're bubbling away here. Use a stainless steel pan. Something that won't stain, because this is like a permanent food coloring. Don't get it on your fingers, your clothes. This could be my basting liquid. I'm going to put a little bit of I'll take it over here. Pure Calamansi liquid. Vanilla. Anyway. Same amazing pure taste. Resealable bag. It's got that Calamansi little packages in there. You can, like 1 ounce each or ½ ounce or whatever. You can use it for all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to add it in here for my basting liquid. And it's going to go in my marinade when I put my chicken in the marinade bags before I go to bed. It's looking pretty good. I don't know, it's been, 5-10 minutes, 7-8 minutes, something like that. Whatever. It's looking pretty good. And note those seeds, chicken oil. So I got this concoction set up. Where am I? This funnel. So I got my lemongrass in there, bruised up, garlic, and a big chunk of ginger. Oh, got my Calamansi juice, 100% pure, no additives, no sugar. It'd probably go, a little bit of that's going to go in there, and I'm going to strain this through here so I can pour it. That should be good. I don't know how many minutes. I'm already at 11 minutes, man. I gotta quit this one. So, yeah. There's my juice. My chicken liquid. My basting sauce. That's what it is. It's basting. Basting sauce. Basting liquid. Chicken fat. So, yeah, I was going to put this juice in there. What the hell? My basting liquid. For my chicken Inasal. AKA liquid gold. Yeah, I can see it. It's pretty good. So that'll be on my chicken tomorrow when I'm cooking it on the grill. Alright, that's it. Got to go.